So for this recipe today, I'll be using Papuis milk chocolate, tonka bean flavouring, chai spice drops, W2 crema, 811 crema, as well as red, gold and green cocoa butters. So first of all, you want to have nice, clean and polished moulds. Next, you should temper your cocoa butter before spraying one half of your mould in green and then the other half in red. Make sure you clean and scrape your mould in between each colour before filling in the gap with the gold cocoa butter. So once your cocoa butter has set, you can go ahead and cast your shells with your tempered Papuis milk chocolate. This chocolate is high in the fluidity scale, so I'd advise using it at the lower end of its tempering curve. This will help to avoid super thin shells that break easily or having to double cast. Again, making sure to give your mould a really good tap and a seriously good clean off. Next, we're on to the fillings. I'm using chai and tonka bean here, accompanied with the amazing convenience product of the cremas from Calabao. All you need to do to this product is to weigh out your desired amount, add your flavouring, warm slightly, mix it, and then that's it. It's ready to use. I'd advise using oil-based flavours, as ones with medium to high water content will affect the smoothness of the finished product. So here I'm layering the cremas with the white one going in first. We allow that to set before piping and topping up with the 811 crema. Once your final crema has set and hardened, you can go ahead and cap these chocolates with more of your tempered Papuis. And there you go, some lovely chai and tonka bean flavoured bonbons. And there you can see the cremas on the inside. All the links to our packaging and flavours are in the description.